Merry Christmas from Strong's Garage.
Yeah, you got Santa and Jim here, and unfortunately, we're not live today.
We didn't know.
Yeah. We went to put everything together, and
Our fool selves thought when you push to go live, it just went live, so we were scared to push it, but you need a whole day.
There's quite a process to it. So
Yeah.
unfortunately, we trucked Santa down from the North Pole for this. And
Ho, ho, ho.
yeah.
So we're just going to do a little chat and give you a quick tour of all the decorations that we put up. And we're going to try and schedule a live stream now that we're on the waiting list.
Yeah, the waiting list for a live stream.
For maybe Boxing Day, which is a Canadian holiday, the 26th, but we will post on the community page.
Once we figure things out here.
Yeah, it's sort of a learning curve.
The next couple of days will get pretty hectic.
Yeah, we are going to be right into the thick of it there with Christmas, so hope everybody down there and out there is ready and happy and, not the Grinch. But watch when you're putting up your Christmas lights, too. That can be a real bear. Right?
Yeah, the most dangerous thing around there.
Yeah, so anyways, I guess that's all we can do for now.
Right.
What else are you going to do now? You don't have a job or anything?
No, it's nothing exciting, nothing. Yeah.
We're just looking around and see what we can
do.
I don't know.
Well, we dropped the ball.
I believe we've made an error.
Yeah, right. Oh.
So, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Or just, there's nothing exciting going on.
No, we've kind of wrapped it all up until the new year as far as work goes.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what. Why don't we give you a little tour of the decorations that were put up here, and maybe that'll keep you in the spirit.
Yeah, get you in the festive mood if you're not already.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the wreath. We got all that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
I think I'm going to ditch the Santa wig.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's pretty itchy. There you go, in from the cold, eh?
In from the cold.
All right. We've talked about this TV before, maybe, and maybe you've seen it in the background, but it's such a neat story, it's worth retelling. This Model T Ford belongs to a friend of ours named Chuck, and his grandfather bought this car brand new. Been in the family since 1921, and he tours it regularly. In fact, he's completely burnt off a set of tires. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles at a time. So that is the Model T in the showroom.
Yeah, currently toting Santa around.
Yeah, Santa Claus is on a lift there, but it needs some maintenance before spring, so we've just been storing it for him for the winter, and we'll get to it in the spring.
You bet, yeah. Hanging out in the showroom.
Looks good in here, doesn't it?
Oh, it does.
Looks right at home. Yeah, it looks as if it was meant to be. All right, at Strong's Garage here, we also really like antique Christmas decorations. What we have here is a real tree that we put up. It's getting a little crunchy, but that's okay. It's getting close to Christmas. This Santa Claus suit that I was wearing is a 1940s DuPont Santa suit, wig and all. And these are the old-time Noma Christmas lights where when one light burns out, spoils the soup. So you got quite a collection of bulbs. You got to keep tracing them. Reflectors, mercury glass, that's from 1943, that star there. So it's always fun to get this stuff out and put it up, that old cast iron base with the lights. And some Edmund speed equipment for a later date. Looks like Santa came early to Strong's Garage, eh?
Oh yeah, those are some beauties.
That's for that 32 Ford Roadster that's at the shop. We're doing an engine for it, so that should be pretty exciting when we get to that. Yeah, and there's some birds in the tree and everything. So if you like old Christmas decorations, there's a few of them hanging around.
Yeah, the birds clipped on.
I really like this one. The grapes. This one's pretty neat too. Little crummy looking Santa.
Oh, he's got his sack there, yeah.
Looks like he's cold, eh?
Oh yeah, he looks kind of like a burglar.
Burglar Claus.
Reverse Santa.
Yeah. So we have not only cloth-covered wire for use and sale, these are cloth-covered wire Christmas lights. As you can see, no detail is So we got a little collection of these old Christmas lights up. Cassie put those up. And they really look nice. I really love decorating for Christmas with this old stuff because it looks right at home.
Oh yeah, it's way nicer than the LEDs. Nice
Absolutely.
warm glow.
Yeah, these ones are a little more modern because when you have a dead bulb, it doesn't ruin the.
Oh yeah, spoil the whole soup.
Yeah. So
just the bowl, not the pot, is ruined.
This old Trojan tire. It's a Canadian tire. It's a 21-inch tire, like it'd be on a late T, Model A, and brand new tube in it, NOS. And Cassie whipped up this wreath here.
Yeah, waste not, want not.
We thought it was a great idea. I'd never thought of that. And boy, what a nice way to make a wreath. So we put a bird in it. And this little candle bracket was on sale at Canadian Tire for $2. And the thing was a little bit too short, so we had to extend it to get where we needed it. But it does the job.
That it does.
And at very little cost.
Yeah, so if anybody's home has an old tire,
yeah,
bring it in. Yeah, wash it in the sink. The wife will be pleased this bunch.
Yeah, and then you can just throw some garland around it and a bird or two.
Old tree branches and an old bird from outside, and away you go.
You're set. So yeah, that's a nice little thing.
Christmas decoration.
Yeah, decoration. Yeah. DIY, so to speak.
Yeah, DIY.
So, well, all these beautiful decorations in here were put up by my wife Cassie, and not only these decorations, but she's an integral part of the shop. She works here. She's a licensed mechanic. She does lots of the ideaing. Eh?
Oh yeah,
lots of the
behind the
scenes, the power behind the throne, so to speak. But I thought it'd be a perfect time to introduce you to her. So if you'll come here, Cassie, we'll just say hello and Merry Christmas to the folks.
Yeah, without further ado.
Without further ado, this is Cassie.
Hello.
So Cassie is my wife. We just wanted to say thanks for watching. And we hope all of you and your families have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So from the Strong's Garage crew here, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.